Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 3 how to upload a profile photo. So without further ado, let us start the video. So go to the dock, click on your web browser, in that case being Safari for me. Go to Instagram.com, sign in, and then you would click on screen at this logo that looks like a man and it says add profile photo. So I'd click this and then you need a photo. Click on this, choose now, and there we have it. We can also remove the photo if we needed to. Click on this, it says change the photo, remove the current photo. The photo has been removed. Click on this again, double tap that, and there you have it. Refresh the page to make sure the changes have been made. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.